Hi guys, so it's November 4th and it is pretty late, like 4:30. No, trick-or-treating is over. It is Monday and Denver and Carter is napping all during the day, and then Levi's over here all crazy. He says hi.
Hello.
Hello. And
Let me be there.
earlier I went to Costco to restock on some fruits, you know, because we ran out of strawberries and the boys eat strawberries like
What Daddy?
nonstop. I don't know.
Daddy.
Daddy did lamb gone. And then grabbed some fruits and then went to Costco and I almost got ran over because this guy wanted this parking spot so badly that he just zoomed right in front of me. And then I had to go pick up the boys after going to Costco. So I went to pick up the boys, and I can't pick up Levi at the drive-through line yet, only Carter. But he likes getting picked up in that line, Carter, because it makes him feel like a big boy, you know? So I picked him up, and then they knew that I had the baby and Carter, and also they were like, well, let's just go get Levi, since it was kind of later in the day. So they went to go get Levi. Came home and fed them some animal crackers for some snack. And I cannot wait until Dawn gets home. Oh. Anyway, so throughout the Halloween, whatever, I kind of told Carter that I ate all his candy. And I thought that his reaction was really cute, so I wanted to share with you guys. And it's Monday, so we're planning to maybe go to library story time. If we have time. If they wake up in time. I don't know if Carter should be waking up. He shouldn't be sleeping this much. So. And on Halloween day, like Levi had this weird rash all over his body. And I didn't know what that was, so I was kind of scared. I didn't take him out all weekend. But it turns out it was probably just something from his fever that he had. Like, remember when he had strep? So it probably just like exited it all out of his body at once, and that's probably the result. And that was what it was. Basically, it was just like nothing, not contagious or anything, no fever, nothing. It just came out. It just looked like rashy on his cheeks and his body. Yeah. Con tên gì?
Nó chỉ bài Hãy
Con 2 tuổi hả? Con là con của ai?
Dada, I can't wait.
I can't wait. Nói gì không hiểu. Mimi mama. That's how he kisses. He just gives you his cheek. You never get a peck. Ever. Okay. I'll update you guys in a little bit. November 4th, the kids are just home from school. I went to Costco and I got some stuff. I gotta go pick some things up. Don has a money machine inflatable thing here for his Christmas party coming up. Carter, what are you doing? Putting your stuff up? Oh. Good job. Very good. Thank you very much. Every day comes home, takes off his socks, puts his shoes up, puts the socks in the hamper. He puts his lunch bag up, as well as his canteen, and he puts his backpack on the window. Hi, Con. And then you go wash your hands. You alright? Okay, Levi, cất giới vô mau lên. Dạ. Okay, Levi, cất đi con. Cất dấu vô con. Good job, con đi ngồi xuống đi. Lát mommy lấy pizza cho con. Okay, go. Cất giới vô mau lên. Okay. Carter, Levi, I ate all your Halloween candy last night. Yeah, see, there's no more. It's okay? You mad at me? Not there anymore.
Why did you take that one? They put all of that in the bag.
No, I ate it all. Me
What?
and Daddy ate it all last night.
I don't eat all. You're going to get a cavity. I need to go trick-or-treating.
Why? To get more candy?
Yeah. You just ate all my cake.
Well, you have to wait till next year. Trick or treating is only once a year.
Okay. Okay, Mommy, watch this.
Carter, what are you doing, Gone?
I'm going to leave my diaper.
You're what?
Changing your diaper.
Okay. Let's see how you do.
Yeah, that's gross.
Look at Daddy.
Look
at how lucky
Let me
Daddy
show
is.
you something.
What are you gonna show me?
Dad, come in the room.
Come in the room.
Come in the room.
Did you get the leaf bowl lower? Really?
What is that?
You do push-ups?
Hey, I don't know how you do that. You go
Levi.
and down.
Oh, Carter's doing push-ups? Good job, Carter. Okay. Levi, your turn. Come on, Levi.
Levi do push-ups.
That's why I don't do that.
Okay, good job.
Oh.
Okay, good job, boys. Go to sleep. Sleep.